Hi, this is Dave with the Stock and Options Room in the ShadowTrader Live Trading Suite. And today I want to do a little bit of SPX review and talk about looking at multiple time frames. And you can see what I have drawn on my chart is a Fibonacci retracement off the 52-week low. And any 52-week low is going to be a significant point in time that you could draw a Fibonacci retracement off of. So I've started with that, and then I drew it up to the high of the Wednesday that the news came out that we had a temporary reprieve with the tariffs. And what you can see so far is that we've traded inside of that candle, and also these Fibonacci retracements have been pretty good support. So the 50% is right around where we closed on Monday 21st, yesterday as I'm recording this. And then as well, you can see this 23.6 retracement here. Friday the high went right up to it, and then it pulled back from there. And then we also have some gaps in here. So from Wednesday to Thursday last week, we have this large gap, and then we gapped down yesterday on Monday. Today tried to fill in that gap, and so far has failed, but the gap up is still holding. So if you gap up and don't necessarily go far enough to fill in a gap down, that tends to equate to just pretty much going sideways. And that's really what we're seeing. So perhaps until we really get a catalyst to take us outside of at least this candle's range from the 9th, or we start to fill in some of these gaps, we'll probably have a hard time going anywhere. We might need a catalyst. We're in earnings season. That could be the catalyst as well. But we're getting into a tighter range as well. And also watch the round numbers for support and resistance. If you take a look at this low the day after the tariffs were paused on the 10th, and then you take a look at Monday's low, the 21st, you can see they're pretty close, and they're a little bit above the round number of 5,100. And you can see the low of the 21st went to 5101.63. Couldn't get much closer. Today's high was 5309. So it got past 5300, but it pulled back. It did not spend a lot of time there. So we got about a 200 point range here, and just a lot of back and forth. Multiple inside candles within this massive range from this Wednesday the 9th. And we need to break out. We probably need a catalyst to do so, but just continue to trade the range. All right, so hopefully that helps, and hopefully I'll see you in the room. Hi, this is Dave with the Stock and Options Room of the ShadowTrader Live Trading Suite. If you want to trade 0 DTE options live and in real time with me, click the link in the description below. I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.